ePAY provides certified SEPA payments with Commercio.network. We are doing daily tutorials, trying our best to simplify a complex subject like blockchain. It's not easy. If you like what we are doing, I would really appreciate it if you would take a moment to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Your support means the world to us and helps us to continue creating the blockchain videos you love. With the progressive globalization of businesses, the need for reliable and secure cross-border payments has become increasingly important. In Europe, the Single Euro Payments Area, SEPA, was introduced to simplify and standardize electronic payments within the EU and associated countries. However, the process of making certified SEPA payments can be complex and time-consuming. This is where ePAY from Commercio.network comes in. ePAY is a blockchain-based payment solution that offers interoperability with SEPA, making it easier for companies to make secure and certified payments across borders. Here's how to use ePAY to make certified SEPA payments and achieve interoperability. Obtain a Commercio.network wallet. To use ePAY, it is first necessary to obtain a Commercio.network wallet. This wallet will act as a digital identity on the blockchain and allow you to securely store and manage your cryptocurrency assets. You can download the wallet from the Commercio.network website and follow the instructions to set it up. Adding funds to the wallet. Once the wallet is configured, you need to add funds to it. You can do this by purchasing cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum from a cryptocurrency exchange and then transfer them to your Commercio.network wallet. Alternatively, you can purchase Commercio.network's native token, COM, directly from the Commercio.network website. Convert your cryptocurrency assets into euros. Before you can make a SEPA payment with ePAY, you need to convert your cryptocurrency assets into euros. To do this, you can use Commercio.network's built-in exchange function, which allows you to convert your cryptocurrency assets into euros at a competitive exchange rate. Once you have euros in your wallet, you can use them to make certified SEPA payments. Initiating a SEPA payment. To initiate a SEPA payment using ePAY, you must first log into your Commercio.network wallet and select the ePAY option. From here, you can enter the IBAN number of the recipient and the amount you wish to transfer. The payment will be processed instantly and you will receive a confirmation once completed. The advantages of interoperability. One of the main advantages of using ePAY for SEPA payments is the interoperability it offers. Being built on the Cosmos network, ePAY can communicate with other blockchain and payment networks, enabling seamless interoperability between different payment systems. This means that companies can use ePAY to make certified SEPA payments to other companies, regardless of the payment system used. In conclusion, making certified SEPA payments can be a complex and time-consuming process, but with ePAY from Commercio.network it is easier than ever. By following these simple steps, you can use ePAY to convert your cryptocurrency assets into euros and make certified SEPA payments quickly and securely. Moreover, thanks to ePAY's interoperability, you can enjoy seamless payment processing across different payment systems, making it the ideal payment solution for companies operating in a global economy. Thank you for watching. Get in touch with us or sign up on Commercio.app.